Thought I'd show you my little setup over here. We've got a Arduino Pro Micro, an HC05 Bluetooth transceiver. This little red wire over in here, that's your VCC. This little black wire, that's going to be your ground. The transmit goes to the receive, and the receive goes to the transmit. And what you want to do when you do these kind of setups is you can use a program called Circuit.io. And what I've done over in here is I did a quick prototype so that you could kind of see how this is set up. See if we can do that. So now you can see this is not exactly a Pro Micro, this is a regular micro. So you want this red to go to the VCC on the micro, or the VCC for the Pro Micro, which is over there. You want the black to go down to the ground, which is over on there on the Pro Micro, but ends up being sort of this little bus which goes over to here. And then the transmits and receives go to the transmit and receives over in here on the Pro Micro, but here on the micro they go elsewhere. The setups like this can be changed. If you wanted to, you could do a quick swap, pick another controller. I guess you could use an Arduino or a Teensy or a Nano. Yeah, here's an Uno. Let's use the Uno. And we'll go in through here and do a quick swap. And then you can see how you can swap in an Arduino Uno to do the same thing. What they'll do is they'll give you some quick prototyping code over in here, and you can use that code directly to at least get things up and running. But what I did was a little bit different. I went down to the IDE and created my own little test facility so I could have a chat program. So I started CoolTerm, which is a terminal program on the Mac. And what I did was I set them both up at 9600 baud. You don't need to do that, but I decided to use the same baud rate for transmission and reception. And so on this side, this is the Arduino monitor. This is the how do we call it? Arduino monitor. Hit enter, and it comes out on the other side over here. This is the Arduino monitor. So over in here, what we'll do is we'll write something like this is the Bluetooth response. And you can see as I type, it comes out on the other side. To see how that's set up, go to the options on here, and you see there's this HC05, right? That's the port that shows up. When you want to actually pair these devices, you on a Mac anyways, you go to a thing called the Bluetooth preferences, and you find it here, and you click on it, and you click pair, and then you type in 1234. That's the pairing code. Very secure. 1234. Don't tell anyone. Oh, big secret. And then for the actual code to make things run, it's the simplest possible code I could come up with to show two-way communication. Serial begin and start are how you like to start the monitor for the Arduino, and then Bluetooth begin and Bluetooth on are how I'm going to start the Bluetooth side of things. And then I got a little loop, and what I'm doing in here is I just noticed I don't need this, I think. Yeah, I'm making this as simple as possible. So here is if the Bluetooth is available, it'll return the number of bytes available. Read the byte 1 byte at a time and print it out to the serial port. And then over in here, if the serial port has some kind of data available, it'll read it 1 byte at a time and then print it out to the Bluetooth. And that's it. That's the loop. And this will give you two-way communications. And I think if you get everything up and running and connected, you should be able to say something to like, hello world. And it comes out. And on this side, you can write, thanks for your attention. And that's it. Hope you like my little demo. Talk to you later. Bye.